Hello students, welcome in our school online class. Today we are going to study information technology subject of standard 10. In previous online class we learnt about online transaction and internet security in web application. But as per new curriculum of CBSE is added 3 more sessions in web applications. Today we will study session number 9, maintain workplace safety. Now what is workplace safety, why workplace safety is required, and how to maintain the workplace safety. This all topic we will see in this session. Workplace safety describes policies and procedure in place to ensure the safety and health of employees within a workplace, which involves hazard identification and control according to government standards. Basic safety rules to follow at workplace means where you are working, on that place which safety rules you have to be followed. The first one is fire safety, second one is falls and slips, third one is electrical safety, fourth one is use of first aid. Now fire safety. Now why fire safety is required? In the event of fire, time is the biggest enemy and every second counts. In less than 30 seconds, a small flame can turn into a major fire. If you want to protect from fire, then fire escape plan is very important. Then how to create or make fire escape plan? Now let us see how to create or make your fire escape plan. First, draw your organization fire escape floor plan. Means where you are working, now on that place floor escape plan. Second, label all the rooms and identify the rooms and windows. Third one is make 2 escape routes from every room. Fourth one is provide alternatives for everyone with a disability. Fifth one is agree on a meeting place where everyone will gather after you have escaped. Now second point is conduct regular drills, means practice. The purpose of fire drill in organization is to ensure that everyone knows how to exit safely as quick as possible. Third point is maintenance of safety. Why maintenance of safety is required for equipment or other devices? Because regular maintenance is essential to keep equipment, machines and the work environment safe and reliable. If lack of maintenance can lead to dangerous situations, accidents and health problems. Now see here some of the rules that organization have about fire safety are. The first image is showing us no smoking. Means when you go for work in organization, company or anywhere, don't smoke in the offices, organization or in any workplace. Second image shows us don't carry lighters or matchbox into the office. Third one is don't use the elevator in times of fire in the buildings. Always we use stairs for such emergencies. Why can't you use the elevator or lift in such situation? Because if there is a fire in the building or in any place, it can short out the electrics. If the electricity does go out, the elevator or lift could stop between floors and trapping you. Falls and safety rules. Why workplace must be proper ventilated? First point is workplace must be proper ventilated. Why workplace must be proper ventilated? Because the air quality in your office is a major factor in the overall health and well-being of your employees. Poor indoor air quality can be caused by a great range of factors like bacteria, microorganisms in the ventilation system, moisture due to high humidity, etc. as like problem will be raised. Second point is floor must be clean and dry. Always keep floors clean and dry, otherwise you may slip and fall and incident will happen. Then oil spills, dust must be immediately cleaned. Smoke alarms must be placed at proper intervals. Keep workplace a non-smoking zone. Now here we see the electrical safety rules. But before this, why electrical safety is required? See here, employees should be trained in case of electrical fires and how to deal with such situation. In general, sand can be thrown into electrical fires. It should be known that water can never be used for electrical fires. Any other fluid is also never be used. So we have to follow in such situation some electrical safety rules. Let us see here some electrical safety rules. The first one is electrical equipment approved by a recognized organization like ISI mark. Second point is damaged and hazardous electrical equipment should be immediately replaced. All old and workout and fried switches and wires should be changed. Heat originating equipment should be kept away from the electrical equipment. Take care that outlets, circuits should not be overloaded. Now the main and important thing is in such situation the first aid is very important. What is first aid? First aid is emergency care given immediately to an injured person. The purpose of first aid is to minimize injury and future disabilities. First aid is the immediate assistance provided to the injured to save life and minimize health loss till the proper medical aid or facility is provided. Every organization must have basic first aid kit. Kit must have all necessary items. Make sure to check for the expiry of medical related items. Some rules of first aid are: assure the injured to remain calm and not to panic. Keep them warm if they are under shocks. Don't move the victim in case of back injury or neck injury. Thanking you.